This is a split water-cooled PC we built with a laser-themed aesthetic. It's very low-key in terms of noise, but extremely difficult to build. You could say that every single hardware component inside is fully utilized and carefully tuned. The processor is the recently released AMD 9800X3D, currently the strongest gaming CPU available. There's no competitor. Compared to previous X3D processors, the 9800X3D introduces an important change. It supports overclocking. Because of that, we chose a top-tier motherboard, the ROG X870 Hero. When talking about AMD, another key component is memory. We didn't blindly choose ultra-high-frequency memory like 7800 or 8000 MHz, because AMD platforms don't benefit much from extremely high memory frequencies. Normally, for AMD systems, we recommend DDR5 6000 to DDR5 6400, and 6400 is already considered very good. If your motherboard is high-end and your budget allows, DDR5 6400 CL30 is an excellent choice. For this build, we selected G.Skill DDR5 6400 CL30, specifically optimized for AMD X3D processors. Of course, G.Skill also offers even lower latency memory kits, such as the DDR5 6000 CL28, which is officially highlighted on their website and pairs extremely well with AMD, but it comes at a higher price. For the graphics card, we chose an RTX 3080 Super OC edition. For storage, we installed a top-tier PCIe 4.0 SSD, 990 Pro 1TB, as the system drive, along with an additional high-capacity SSD for games and media storage. The power supply is a ROG Platinum-rated PSU, providing stable and clean power for all components. We also custom-made a green premium cable set, allowing for extremely clean cable routing and a tidy back panel. The case is a laser-themed battle axe chassis, personally selected. The client mentioned that modern PCs tend to be too noisy, so they wanted this new system to be much quieter. Naturally, that's where Noctua NF-A12 fans come in. With 2.2 millimeters of water static pressure and extremely low RPM, their performance is honestly impressive, though the price is just as impressive. A full set costs nearly $2,000. The CPU water block is from the OC Core series. Now that all the components have been introduced, what follows is a long installation and assembly process. If you're not interested in that, feel free to skip ahead to see the final result and temperature performance.